cottage. That's the only thing they mention. Yes.
You would appreciate this. This is David's wedding ring. Isn't that rad? He plays with her all the time.
Isn't that like the coolest wedding ring I've ever seen?
I know. It's so rad. When he found it, I was like, yeah.
I'm not keeping the camera always pointed at the action because sometimes I'm shooing spiders off of me that are falling down off the tree. So that's where the spider came on the baby. I was wondering where a while back. Do you have a black widow on your shoulder, dear? I probably jumped out of the tree while he was swinging.
Yeah. So we get all of those, but we wait for him. You gotta just keep positive pressure on it, and you gotta control.
Let's go ahead and take these off. Okay.
Just lay it down. And then we're gonna start to get a lot of this open.
Oh, some of the corners, the bungees came undone. You want those attached the whole time if it's windy.
Okay.
And it will be, assume it will be windy.
Yeah. Yeah, let's separate. I'll put engine.
Don't worry about putting all this way in. Lots of people for this all okay. Yeah, just drop them. We got this later.
All right.
So I think there's just one more, and then we'll get evenly spaced. Okay.
So it's
You're
going
ready.
out, right?
And
Release.
Reminds me of that game. Gotta put in the circle, lawn darts, most dangerous game in the world. Is there a country on the planet where lawn darts are legal now, or have they just pretty much been banned?
I think they're pretty much, now they have them and they're like a code.
Wait, it's illegal now to play lawn darts?
It's illegal to sell lawn darts, at least in the United States. But what bastion of democracy allows you to pin your kids to the lawn?
Yeah.
There's got to be some place, you know, Tuvalu or something.
Pretty sure Saudi Arabia.
Is it illegal in America? It's like a state thing.
That's federal in the U.S.
So you're federally not allowed to sell lawn darts? That's it. I'm making my own lawn darts. I'm doing a lawn dart.
You want to know something crazy?
What's that?
Since I'm recycling water, so I got, I'm certified by the Department of Health in the state of California, so I'm qualified at least mediocrely to do it. I started buying bleach and cleaning supplies and polymers to like take out all the cloudiness out of the water and hardware store. Now, for the last 2 weeks, every time I use my credit card, no matter where I am, they ask me for a PO. And even she was like, how often do you get the computer asking you for a PO for the job? She's like, never for anything under like $100 unless you give me a PO. But it never triggers the thing. And then I went into the grocery store.
All right.
And it was like PO. And I was like, PO for the
Ready to
grocery
push this
store?
together?
Yeah.